So you're working on a big 4K installation, a high-stakes one, and you need basically 0 points of failure. Today we're doing a deep dive into the tvONE MG-DA-614. It's this 1x4 ultra slim splitter. And our mission really is to figure out if this is just another black box or if it's genuinely engineered for that, bulletproof professional stability.
It's a great question. And what's fascinating right off the bat is its commitment to bandwidth.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a 1x4 splitter built for 4K 60.
Right.
But crucially, it handles that massive 18 GBPs requirement. And that 18 gig number, that's the threshold. It's totally non-negotiable if you want to transmit full color depth, all the HDR metadata without any compromise.
So if you skimp on that bandwidth, you're already losing.
It's already compromised the entire visual experience.
Yeah. Okay, and let's talk about where this thing actually lives. I mean, it's going to be stuck in a rack somewhere or, tucked behind a screen. The ultra slim profile, it's less than 18 millimeters tall. It's trainy. It's meant to just disappear. But just because it's small doesn't mean it cuts corners on the audio, right?
Oh, absolutely not. And that's the real insight here. It's how they engineered it to handle not just throughput, but the sheer complexity of the signal.
Okay.
This device isn't just passing basic stereo. Its true high-end capability is proven by supporting everything up to and including Dolby Atmos.
Wow. Okay.
That level of support that guarantees your immersive sound is just as stable and high-res as the video.
So we've established the signal quality is, it's exceptional. But for a professional install, the real challenge is always control, isn't it?
Always.
How does it handle the biggest headache in AV, the display handshake?
Well, that's where the advanced EDID management becomes an absolute game changer. Any integrator knows the struggle, right?
Right.
A display reports faulty EDID and your source just freaks out.
Right. The dreaded black screen.
Exactly. So the 4-pin DIP switch lets you force the correct display parameters. You just bypass all that instability and ensure a stable signal lock every time.
And it has CEC pass-through.
It does. So your unified control systems, like using one remote for everything, stay completely seamless.
Okay, let's switch gears to the business side. It's $325. It comes with free USA shipping, and they promise lifetime support. Phone, chat, text, email. That suggests a massive amount of confidence in the reliability, especially for systems that have to run for years.
And that confidence, you can see it in the market they're targeting.
Yeah.
They offer these strategic discounts for organizations with, .edu, .gov, .mil, or .org email addresses.
Oh, so this is infrastructure gear?
It's pure infrastructure. It's built for nonstop operation where failure just isn't an option.
Which makes this next part really striking. It has a strong 5-year warranty, which is great.
Yeah.
But the product is designated non-cancelable, non-returnable, and non-refundable. For something this critical, doesn't that put a huge burden on the system designer to be absolutely certain upfront?
It absolutely does.
Yeah.
But I think the flexibility is built into the product line before you click buy.
How so?
Well, if you needed fewer outputs or more, there are other options. There's the 1x2 splitter, the MG-DA-612, and the big 1x8, the MG-DA-618. So that non-refundable policy is essentially them saying, check your drawings, get your port count right, and then commit to the stability that we guarantee.
So let's tie this all together. What does it all mean? The tvONE MG-DA-614, it seems like it's engineered to deliver that stable, high-bandwidth 4K video and audio with really robust control features, like that critical ED management.
Exactly. It's for pros who can't afford a callback.
Making it perfect for any install where stability is absolutely paramount.
Right. And considering that paradox, the strict non-refundable policy versus the huge 5-year warranty and lifetime support, it leaves you with a really interesting question. What pre-installation testing or validation criteria must a professional buyer satisfy before purchase to confidently commit to such a fixed, non-returnable piece of high-end infrastructure? Something to chew on as you spec out your next job.